Oh, the best thing to
Tuck
do.
it under one of her arms.
Yeah.
And have her go in a circle.
Wait, it's ripping.
Yeah, it's because it's made to go into 1 foot squares.
Put your arms down. Okay, go. Turn. Mike's gonna do it too. Wait, you're going too fast. We go around in circles. We fly high like a can. Oh.
Not so hard.
Slow.
You know,
Oh, Mike's excited.
hey babe, I'm starting to wonder if you're going to be able to do this. Yeah, because by the time Joanna gets covered in bubble wrap, there's not going to be any left.
Yeah, there is.
There's 4 more rolls.
Are you gonna get my legs?
I don't want to do your face because I don't want you not to breathe. So go. Keep turning. We'll figure it out.
I have my hoodie. I can put it all the way down because pull it down.
Plastic over the face, not good.
Yeah.
Turn. Who's gonna wrap me? Go.
I'm gonna.
I will, but I
Okay.
can't promise that I'll follow the plastic over the face rule.
Don't encourage her. Go. We're talking penguin here. Ooh, what is that?
Turning.
Okay, you know, you guys have to get down the steps out front.
Just
Well,
saying.
go. Go.
You gotta get the feet too.
No, you got to be able to
You
walk.
gotta walk, baby. Okay.
So, okay, stop turning.
Mike?
Mikey.
Mike Wazowski. I look like Mike Wazowski.
Don't go near the pool.
How am I gonna get down?
With your face?
Mom, my face itches. My hair's in my mouth, Mom. Can you help?
Oh, yeah, I'm getting the whole thing, you know, the prep work and all, because I can do up to a half hour of video.
Hey, Chewy. I can bring my hoodie all the way down, but how are we gonna do it with our feet?
Don't worry about it.
Might have to go buy a new memory card afterwards, but darn it, I can do up to a half hour of video.
Where's Dad?
We gotta walk.
Oh, I told him what's going on. I even told him that Mike's decided he's joining in.
Dad needs a visual.
So he was laughing.
My pleasure, Mike. I'm just saying. That's pretty nice.
Chewy.
I'm good. Leave me alone right now. I'm busy.
She's not going down. She's staying.
More?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 more rotations. Because I'm
You know what's sad? What's really sad about this is if he was to fart right now, we could have a bubble explosion. A bubble explosion. There's the snort.
Chewy. My thing is coming undone.
Okay, hang on, Emma.
Oh, jeez.
Chewy.
welcome to the family. Officially.
We gotta jump.
It rips easily. Wrap me good.
Yeah, you don't wrap me good. Look.
Okay, hang on, Emma.
We'll put more on
Well,
you.
stop wiggling.
Wait, we
I'm
gotta
too fast. Okay, go.
Okay, next roll.
Chewy said I can take a packet home. One of those big ones home.
Yeah, because Papa's not moving the turlock.
Where did you get those, Chewy?
Biatch.
Okay, hang on.
Okay.
Wait. Stop.
Sorry, Emma. I had to.
Turn. The other way.
Well, it's.
Your other right.
Wait, we're tangled.
I got one too. It's swordplate.
Chewy, stop.
It doesn't matter. That's better for me.
Okay,
Chewy, Mom, just let it
I
down.
have no idea.
It's your chicken.
Yeah.
Answer the phone, Joe.
Doc.
Huh?
Call from Doc.
And who's that?
Department of Corrections.
Oh, should we answer it?
No, they won't answer because I have to put money on.
Wait, my arm's getting tight.
That's what he said.
Somebody's gonna get a pic. Somebody's gonna
Baby, you don't want to do this with us?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Somebody's gonna need to pick
Let's
me
hear it
up
for
and
the
put me
Marines.
down.
Yay.
I can't do
Yeah, well, there's a reason they call them the Suicide Squad and Jarheads.
Jarhead thing I never got. Suicide Squad, understand, respect.
Empty jar.
Yeah, but
Empty head.
yeah, maybe you have hair because of the haircuts I have to sport, but other than that, I don't.
Are
I
you
don't
guys
get it.
ready?
Are we?
Yeah, let me get
I have no idea what's going on, Peanut.
Joe, you do know what Marine stands for, right?
Yeah.
Muscles are required, intelligence not expected.
Yep.
Where did that come from?
I put it there.
Okay, come here, Emma.
You like it, baby? Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Look, look.
Clean that over your head too, right?
I said, you know,
Roll
the
down.
face.
3 months to cover my
this
face
right here,
and
Reed.
Roll down the head.
Range, hold this right here.
Thanks.
That's my butt.
He doesn't hear you.
Hold this range. Okay, spin. Wait, not too fast. No, honey, you gotta.
Yeah, she's going the wrong way.
This way.
Okay, no, go the other way, Emma.
You love me?
Keep going.
He doesn't know what to do. Uh-huh.
Keep going. I'm trying to make it tight.
Get it, Peanut.
Keep
Get it.
going. Step back. Little step.
I
Okay,
feel
keep
safer.
going.
And this is before the bottles were open.
Yes, just for documentation purposes. Bottles of Jack still sealed.
This is sober, baby. Come on. What are you, a wimp?
Ready?
Let's
Hang
go.
on.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, I guess now would be a bad time for waterfall
Somebody
sound
needs to
effects,
pick
right?
me up. Somebody needs to pick me up.
Or we can do the side gate.
Yeah.
Well, Daddy won't see you then.
Yeah.
He
I
can
need-
see us
my legs
after.
are loose.
He can see us after.
No, he needs to see us go, baby. It's
No,
important.
come on. He's
Come
got
on,
to see
Anna.
it this way first.
Aw, I can't get up.
You can.
How?
What'd you do, Ken? You wrapped her
Range, would you pick her up by her shoulders and put her up the step?
Hop, hop. You have to hop.
Hop!
I can't walk.
Lift.
Joe's coming unwrapped.
The other way.
That's what I was thinking. How you getting out of there?
Mine unhooked. I need
Joe's coming unwrapped.
pretty much.
Wrap her up, stick it in there, and then where's the duct tape for her mouth?
Baby, careful. Careful.
Mom, I just said, do I look like a dwarf? He's like, yep.
Hey, I
Hang
can't
on.
go up again.
Hang on, Chewy.
Hold still.
Mike's all, come on, women. He's tight.
Look at Mike, Dad.
Joanna gave him a bubble thing.
He has a dinky.
Mom, mine came undone.
Okay, hang on.
So did Mike.
Oh my gosh. No wonder why people wrap themselves in plastic to lose weight. I'm
Okay, dear.
You gotta try to tie it in a knot.
Yeah, well, just go. We'll fix it out there.
No. Call from Doc. Okay, we'll take care
Okay,
of that.
stay put. I gotta find where there's an edge. Here's an edge.
Yeah, it's Andrew. The call won't go through yet. Dad.
Okay, go.
Money on yet. When we're done, okay? You want to come outside and watch us?
baby penguins. Not the smart, cute, cuddly penguins.
You know, the funny thing about this is when I walk like this, my bubbles hit my legs.
That's the funniest thing.
I think the funniest thing is she's talking about her bowls.
Where's your bubble wrap? Are we gonna race or not?
Let's roll down the driveway.
No, we gotta be in the street. My car's on.
Fix you, Emma, when we come up here.
Okay.
Hey, Range, do you need me to go get the 40 so you can shoot at her bubbles?
How are we gonna get on the ground, Mike?
I can get
Mike
down.
needs
Knees. Lay.
more wrap.
Just split.
He's down.
He's already on the ground.
I can't. I have no like.
Okay, since he's gonna help you.
Don't fight it. Okay, you go. Popping.
You know I'm not popping at all, right?
I know you're not.
It's really hard to roll around.
Kim's about to wet herself. I don't know what's better to catch on video.
Where'd he go? There he is.
They keep moving further and further away from each other, so I keep having to move further away to get them all in frame.
You know how awesome you are, Emma.
Popping bubble wrap. He wants out, Joe. You better move. Come on, move it.
I better hurry up and roll these. Baby, ow!
It's so funny. I'm gonna pee my pants.
I did.
Okay, you thought something that Joanna said was a good idea. You're beyond help.
I'm still rolled up.
I did. I piddled. We got that on tape. I piddled. Emma, that was the greatest idea ever.
You're supposed to have it.
And Mike is rewrapping himself.
I might have popped like 5 of them, maybe.
Where's your little?
Right here.
I don't want to talk about it.
It dropped on the ground. Look, he's wrapping himself again. He's doing.
Because he only popped like 5 bubbles. He wasn't popping.
Round two. Round two.
He's got to go again because he didn't pop him.
Round two.
Range.
Yeah, come on, Range. Round two.
We want to wrap you. Oh no, we have 5 more rolls. Look, Emma, he made a pillow for her.
It's all wet. Why is it wet?
Because we're sweating.
I did it. I did it. Is that it over there? Is that Piddle over there?
It's been awesome time for the boys to get home.
Oh, finally Joe can wear my bra.
Man, I wrapped around too.
You rolled in my feet.
What?
You rolled in Joe's piddle.
Oh, look at this guy over here. Knee pads?
That's right.
From what I hear, you
Gonna,
need them.
gonna pop them.
No, you need a dude's ride to skateboard.
He's a Marine, damn it, not a gladiator. That's where we were supposed to go, but we made it this far.
Is that Piddle for sure? The thing was all wet. At least I'm taking a shower tonight. Not with you.
All he needs now is lights.
That's right.
And you know what the sad thing is? If you give him a chance, he'll make sound effects. He says everything goes better with sound effects.
Everything is better with sound effects.
Look, Emma.
See, he's still not popping.
Still not pumping.
Come on, suck it up, Marine. I can't even pop him.
I'll pop him.
Some tough bubbles.
They're not the big ones. The big ones would have been better.
Yeah. Big ones are always better.
Why are you so serious? Yeah, you married me.
Put them in the recycle bin.
That's toilet paper.
Emma, he's gonna put me in the can. He's canning me.
Okay.
I know, he needed a bigger one. So where are we going to find the industrial sized dumpster we need? But there's the bad thing. We didn't even have to throw her in. She'll just dive.
I hurt him real good. You can fit.
No, I'm good. It's all wet.
It's because it got peed on.
We gotta go throw her in the pool. You should keep that on in your head.
You think? It's a fashion statement, huh?
I wish you would have kept it on to show my dad.
I got it all on video. I can show him on the camera or on the phone. Or the camera.
Connected to the TV.
Okay, yeah. I've got those cables.
Emma, stand by Cherie.
Oh, hang on, let me.
Ranger's all okay.